Hey guys, so another device that will be launching on the 12th of June is the BV8900 from Blackview. Just like the Oukitel WP26, this device would be powered by the Helio P90 as well. And as regarding the specs of this upcoming phone, it's not disappointing, it's great. The device will be running on the latest Android 13. I'm not sure if the phone will be receiving Android 14 in the future, but it's great that it's going to be running on the Android 13 operating system. The phone would also support NFC, which is very good. The phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display. The punch hole is placed at the top center of the phone's display. The device would utilize 8GB of RAM and it supports virtual RAM expansion. The internal storage is quite huge. It's a 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1TB. In the camera department, the device doesn't disappoint at all. Its main camera is 64MP. It also has a 5MP, I believe, a macro lens, and the device supports thermal imaging. The thermal imaging technology is provided by Flare. The front-facing camera of the device is 16MP. The battery capacity of this device is very huge, which is expected. It is a 10,380 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging. Also, just like other rugged phones, this device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard H10H certified and it supports NFC. So these are some of the top features and specs of the Blackview BV8900. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be launching on the 12th of June alongside many other awesome rugged devices. And I believe it's going to be available at a very affordable price. So that's it for the Blackview BV8900. If you'd like to share anything about this phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.